Hey y'all, welcome to the Yard and Chicken Homestead. Today's video we're going to be collecting the eggs, and this is 2 days worth of eggs. So let's go collect eggs. I don't know what I just heard, but let's see. So I'm going to let y'all see first and go over eyes. How much is it? Oh dang it. That's a lot of eggs. And what do you call it? Our little black heater thing had broke, so now we're using this heat lamp, and they look like they're giving us a lot of eggs, and I think this is 11. But let's go put these inside, and I'm going to be showing y'all how to ferment feed in my next video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and bye.